Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to download Krisp AI apps for PC. First open your browser and search visit this link, then click here get Krisp for free. Sign up with your email. Verify code, go to Gmail and check verification code, copy, simply paste here. A recording, noise cancellation. Click here download for Windows. It will be also available on Mac. If you are a Mac user, then go for Mac. I am a Windows user, so I am going for Windows. Download start automatically. Final download complete. Double click on it and open this file. For install it, click on install. Yes. Close. Click on sign in. Thank you.